110 early in the evening. Friday, sunny, hot with highs around 100. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 113. Friday night and Saturday, mostly clear. Hot.
Oh no, are you kidding me? Fail.
Here's the tropical weather outlook. For the North Atlantic,
Fail.
Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, Central 96. Showers and thunderstorms remain disorganized in the
What a fail.
with a low pressure area located about 475
I can just miss
are
this.
becoming increasingly less favorable for tropical cyclone formation, and the low is expected to move northward and merge with the frontal. Mississippi. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device. Here's your forecast for the Jackson Listen.